Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to look at an introduction on AWS. What is AWS, how it started. So let's get started. So in the last video we looked at an introduction to your cloud computing. What is cloud computing, why we have cloud computing. So there are many companies that provide the cloud services, and below are some of the big names when it comes to cloud service providers. And one of them is your Amazon Web Services. Then we have Microsoft Azure, we have GCP, which is your Google Cloud Platform, we have IBM Cloud, VMware Cloud, Red Hat Cloud, then we have SAP Cloud, we have Rackspace, Verizon, Alibaba Cloud. Likewise, we have lots of cloud service providers, and we are going to look at Amazon Web Services, which is your AWS. Now here is a graph that we have from Gartner. Now Gartner is a company that is into analysis of your leaders or niche players into cloud services. So now this report is as of July 2019, and you can see here in your leaders block you have Amazon Web Services, Microsoft and Google. Within your niche players you have Alibaba Cloud, Oracle and IBM. So we can clearly see that as of July 2009, Amazon Web Services has been the leader in cloud service providers, and there's a big margin between AWS and Microsoft, and likewise between AWS and Google. Now, what is AWS? AWS stands for Amazon Web Services, and it provides you a broad set of cloud based products, which includes your compute, storage, networking, database and other services with on demand and pay as you go model. So any cloud services you take, it provides you a pay as you go model service, that is you're going to pay only for what you're going to use, and all the services are on demand, meaning whatever you need at any point of time, you simply go and request for those resources. Now these resources can range from your compute, networking, storage, database. It can range from many things. Now AWS was launched as a cloud computing platform to allow different organizations to take advantage of reliable infrastructure, that is your IT infrastructure. So AWS is all about your infrastructure from the IT perspective, which can range from your machines, hard disk, networking, monitoring and lots of other infrastructure services. Now what are the features of your AWS? One, it is flexible, so you have the option or choice of choosing what you need for your projects. So allows us to choose which programming models, languages and operating systems that are best suited for your project. Cost effectiveness, so there is no upfront investment, so you don't have to invest any money and you don't have to get into a long-term contracts or any commitments, and minimum expense compared to traditional IT infrastructure that requires investment. So when compared to your traditional IT infrastructure where you need to invest money, with your AWS you don't have to make any investment and there's no long-term commitment. Elasticity, you can scale up and down automatically when the demand increases or decreases. So you can scale up and down at any point of time, you can increase at any point of time, likewise you can decrease at any point of time as and when your demand increases or decreases. And then finally you have the security, ensures the three aspects of security, which is confidentiality, integrity and availability of users data. So there's a big emphasis on the security from the user's perspective, the confidentiality of the users and the integrity, maintaining the integrity of the users data. Now AWS provides you infrastructure across the globe. So AWS is a cloud computing platform that is available globally. As of this recording, AWS is available across 22 regions and 70 availability zones, and has planned for 15 more availability zones and 5 new regions. So AWS is spanning across the globe, and it has footprints across 22 regions, and within these 22 regions you have 70 availability zones, and they have planned for 15 more availability zones and 5 new regions. Now remember, this is as of this recording, so in the future this number may increase, it will surely increase. So as of this recording you have 22 launched regions, there are 5 new regions, 70 availability zones, 1 local zones, 2 times more regions, 245 countries and territories served, 997 direct connect locations, and 216 points of presence. That is, you have 205 edge locations and 11 regional edge caches. Now this is the presence of AWS. So AWS now spans 70 availability zones within 22 geographic regions around the world, and has announced plans for 15 more availability zones and 5 more AWS regions in Indonesia, Italy, Japan, South Africa, and Spain. Now this is as of this recording. So all these blue dots are your current regions that are there across the globe, and the orange ones are the coming soon or the planned availability zones that you have within across the globe. Now, what are your regions? Now, region is nothing but a geographic area which consists of 3 or more availability zones. So these regions that you see here, these are nothing but your geographic locations where your physical servers are present. See, even though AWS or cloud service is a virtualization technology, at the end of the day, they are still physical servers that are present across the world. So these physical servers are present in different locations, and these locations are known as your regions. So regions are nothing but your geographic locations where the physical servers are present, and each of these region consists of 3 or more availability zones. Now your region is nothing but a collection of data centers which are completely isolated from other regions. So one region, by default, one region cannot talk to another region. So the regions are isolated locations from another region, and your availability zone is an isolated location inside the region. And within this region, you have something known as availability zones, which are nothing but your sub regions within your regions. And then finally we will have your account creation. And that's it for this particular video. In the next video we are going to look at your account creation, and once we are done with your account creation, we are going to look at an introduction to your AWS management console. To create your account, you can use this URL, and you can go and create your account. Feel free to go and create your account. If not, you can follow the next video for creating your account. That's it for this particular video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.